Hey everybody, this is Hayden with Trade In Tech, and in this video I want to talk to you about our affiliate program where we pay you $75 for every single person that signs up for our platform. So in order to get started, you must be a member of tradeintech.com. So you can log into tradeintech.com and get signed up, and you'll actually go to this little section here called Get $75. So when you click on that, this will go under the commission section. You will have to upload your information such as your name, your contact information in order to make sure that we can send you payment. So I'm going to tell you guys, every single person who signs up for our trial and makes payment for the first month, you will get paid $75. In this case, the total transaction sale on the customer side is $60. So you're actually earning $75 for a sale that is only $60. It's a great way to make a huge amount of income on the side or as a main priority in your business as well. So guys, I'm going to walk you through a few things on how you can get set up. Right here, you'll see the commission rules based upon the user group you're in. All of the user groups are the same. We do not discriminate in any way. You can now go under the links here and you'll be able to see all of the links that you have. I suggest using this homepage link right here because that's the best one that's going to get you signed up. You also have the marketplace one here, which is very visible to a lot of people that can interest them as well. Now I'm going to show you how to set up these links in just a minute. I want to walk you through the other sections here too. We have link tracking as well, where you'll be able to track the referring URLs and the types of links and registrations that were successful as well. On top of that, you can go here and you can track your commission. Now, we do have a delay on commission just to make sure that payment is received, no chargebacks or anything like that. But once it's approved, we'll be able to approve it, and you can actually go and request it, which I'll show you how to do in just a minute. From this section here, you'll be able to see every single person, though, that has signed up under this commission tracking platform. You can go to the statistics here and you'll be able to see everybody who has approved, denied, and is waiting as well. So in this case, if you want to receive your payment for all the ones that have been approved, you can go under My Requests here. You'll be able to go under here and you'll be able to request a specific amount of points. And these points are equal, 1 point is equal to $1. And when you request this money, we will send a payment to your PayPal account on file. Now guys, in order to do this, you just go here to request money. You'll enter in the information, your PayPal information here as well, and in order to send over the payment. Guys, I just want to let you know as well, if you haven't entered in your PayPal information already, you go up here under account settings and you'll go here and you'll enter the PayPal information right there, and that's how you receive payment. If you have any other questions, you can always visit the FAQ. We have all the details and the answers here for you, and you can contact us directly as well. To get started, just go on to tradeintech.com. Make sure to grab one of these links right here when you sign up. Let's do the homepage link, and then what I'm going to show you as well is you can go and shorten this URL, because you want to send this URL to people. It might look a little ugly, so we actually allow you to go to Bitly and do this. You can go to create right here, you can paste this long URL and you can create it, and then in this case we could rename it. So let's say like Trade In Tech. You can rename it there, and you can rename this Trade In Tech Sign Up, and people can rename their specific, so that one, so let's say Trade In Tech 2. So it looks like that one's available. So now people will be able to go to bit.ly/tradeintech2, and it will land on Trade In Tech again with your specific URL, and you will earn a commission for every single person that signs up. So if you guys have any other questions, please let us know. The coolest thing about this as well is we offer a sticky cookie. So that means that if you post this online and somebody signs up 5 years later, you're still going to get paid. There's no expiration, and you are the one who earns the commission if it is your affiliate link. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a little something new. Make sure to sign up to tradeintech.com. You'll earn $75 for every single person you refer to sign up to our platform. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be able to help you out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you later.